Hello students, so we are studying our third lesson. So in the last period we have studied sex determination in human beings. Okay, then we have studied sex determination in bird, and then sex determination in honeybees. Okay, so as we have studied in human beings, there are 22 autosomes and 22 pairs of autosomes and one pair of sex chromosome. Okay, so in female there is a XX chromosome, while as in the male there is a XY chromosome. Okay, so today we will study genetic disorders. So genetic disorders means disorders are disorders which are caused due to the genes. Okay, so there are we have to study some such genetic disorders. Okay, so let us study. Genetic disorders are broadly grouped into two categories as Mendelian disorder and chromosomal disorder. Mendelian disorders are mainly caused due to alteration or mutation in genes. Example: thalassemia, sickle cell anemia, color blindness, hemophilia, phenylketonuria, etc. On the other hand, chromosomal disorders are caused due to absence or excess of one or more chromosome or their abnormal arrangements. For example, Down syndrome, Turner syndrome, and Klinefelter syndrome. Okay, so these genetic disorders are categorized into two categories. One is Mendelian disorder and second one is chromosomal disorder. So Mendelian disorder are the disorders which are caused due to the alteration or mutation in the gene. So you have studied about the mutation. So when there is a change in the sequence of nucleotides or sequence of nitrogen base on the DNA, that is called as mutation, and due to this change in the sequence of nucleotides, external characters or traits are also changed. Okay, that is mutation, we have studied already. So when there is alteration or alteration of genes or mutation in the gene change take place, so in that case some disorders are there which are called as the Mendelian disorder, and example are thalassemia, sickle cell anemia. So we have studied sickle cell anemia. So when in sickle cell anemia, RBCs become sickle shaped, and due to which the cells lose their oxygen carrying capacity, and sometimes it may leads to death also, that we have studied. Then color blindness. So we have also studied color blindness. Both color red and green appear gray. So that person who is color blind cannot identify these colors. Then hemophilia means clotting of blood cannot take place. Okay, so when if there is any wound or like that, so constantly blood ooze out. Okay, and then phenylketonuria, that is also we have studied. So all these are the examples of Mendelian disorders, and they are caused due to the alteration or mutation in genes. Okay, and another category of this genetic disorder are chromosomal disorders. So in chromosomal disorders, there is either absence or excess of one or more chromosome of the or their abnormal arrangement is there. Okay, so in chromosomal disorders there is one or more chromosomes are absent, or they may be excess, or there is a abnormal arrangement of these chromosomes. So for example, Down syndrome, then Turner syndrome and Klinefelter syndrome. So let us see one by one these disorders. So first of all, thalassemia. So thalassemia is an autosomal inherited recessive disease. Okay, so autosomal means it is related with the autosomes. Okay, and it is inherited, that is transferred from parents to their offsprings, and recessive disease, so it is caused due to the recessive chromosomes. Hemoglobin molecule is made up of 4 polypeptide chain, 2 alpha and 2 beta chains. Okay, so hemoglobin is a compound which is present in the red blood cells of our blood, and they carry oxygen which is taken inside the blood, that is absorbed by hemoglobin, and then it is given to each and every cell. So this hemoglobin molecule is made up of 4 polypeptide chains, 2 alpha and 2 beta chains. The synthesis of alpha chains are controlled by 2 closely linked genes, HB1 and HB2 on chromosome 16, and while the synthesis of beta chain is controlled by a single gene on chromosome 11. So as we know that in our body there are total 46 chromosomes are there, so number is given. So here the synthesis of alpha chain are controlled by 2 closely linked genes which are called as HB1 and HB2 genes, so which are present on the chromosome number 16, and while synthesis of beta chain is controlled by a single gene which is denoted as HBB on chromosome 11. Okay, then depending upon which chain of hemoglobin is affected, thalassemia is classified as alpha thalassemia and beta thalassemia. So depending upon the chain from which the hemoglobin is affected, so it is classified as alpha thalassemia and beta thalassemia. It is caused due to deletion or mutation of gene which codes for alpha and beta globin chains that result in the abnormal synthesis of hemoglobin. So this thalassemia is caused due to the deletion, means these genes are deleted, or mutation genes, or there is a mutation in the genes which code for this alpha and beta globin chains that result in the abnormal synthesis of hemoglobin. So this synthesis of hemoglobin is abnormal due to this deletion or mutation of genes which code for this alpha and beta globin chains. Then in thalassemia, person shows symptoms like anemia. Anemia means there is a low amount of this hemoglobin. Okay, then pale yellow skin become yellow and pale. Then change in the size and shape of RBC. So the size and shape of this red blood cell is also changed. Then slow growth and development. So development of that child is slow and slow. Then dark urine, etc. Massive blood transfusion is needed to those patients. So when there is a thalassemia patient, doctor has to done the blood transfusion to save the life of that patient. Thalassemia differ from sickle cell anemia. So already we have studied sickle cell anemia. The former is a qualitative problem of synthesizing few globin molecules, while the latter is a qualitative problem of synthesizing an incorrectly functional globin. So globin is means hemoglobin, it is a molecule. So in case of sickle cell anemia, it is a qualitative problem. Okay, and in the I think it is a quantitative this one, and in case of this thalassemia, it is a qualitative, means the structure of this hemoglobin is changed, or there is a abnormal hemoglobin due to change in the genes. Okay, so you have to remember the symptoms of this thalassemia. And which are the symptoms of thalassemia? There is a anemia, pale yellow skin, change in the size and shape of red blood cells. Then there is a slow growth and development of that patient, and the urine is dark in color. So that is these are the symptoms when there is this disorder thalassemia is there, and doctor carry out the blood transfusion, means the healthy person's blood is given to that patient. Okay, because the hemoglobin of the patient's blood is abnormal. Okay, then next one is the Down syndrome, or 21st trisomy. Okay, so 21st, why it is said as a 21st? Because it is occurred on the 21st pair of chromosomes. Okay, so let us see. Down syndrome is named after the physician John Langdon Down, who first described this autosomal chromosomal disorder in 1866. Okay, so the name is given by this physician who first described this disease. This syndrome is caused due to an extra copy of chromosome number 21st. So in this disease, that patient has a one extra copy of chromosome 21st. It shows presence of three copies of 21st chromosome instead of homologous pair. So there are three copies of 21st pair. These individuals have 47 chromosome instead of normal number 46. So as there is a one extra chromosome, the total number of chromosome are 47 instead of 46, which is a normal number. 21st trisomy occurs due to non-disjunction or failure or separation of chromosome or autosome during gamete formation. So as we have studied, when the gametes will be formed, one gamete from mother and one gamete from father. So in this case, when haploid gametes are formed, these chromosomes get separated and one chromosome will come in the gamete. But here due to non-disjunction means separation. So there is a separation of chromosomes do not take place when the gametes are formed. So due to this, the whole pair of chromosome will come in that gamete cell or in the gamete, due to which there will be one extra 21st chromosome. Instead of pair or two chromosome, there will be three chromosomes, and due to which the total number of chromosomes are 47. The incidence of non-disjunction is distinctly higher in mothers who are over 45 years old. So when the mother is above 45 year old, then the possibility of this Down syndrome is there. Okay, then these patients have mild or moderate mental retardation and skeletal development is poor. So what are the symptoms of this Down syndrome? The patient is mild or moderately mentally retarded, and its skeletal also is poor. Distinct facial features like small head, ears and mouth. Face is typically flat and rounded with flat nose, open mouth and protruding tongue. Eyes slant up and out with internal epicanthal folds, flat hands and stubby fingers, and palm is broad with single palmar crease. So these are the features which we can observe in the patient of this Down syndrome. So which are the feature? Patient have mentally retarded. Then second were skeletal development is not properly developed. The development is poor. Then head is small, ears small, mouth, all these organs are also small. Face is flat and rounded, and nose is also flat. Mouth is open and protruding means outcoming tongue is there. Eyes slant up and out with the interepicanthal fold. So usually these patients have a their eyes slant up, and they are means like slanting structure is there. Okay, then hands are flats and stubby finger, and palm is broad. Okay, their palm of the hand is broad with a single palmar crease is there. Okay, so like this the syndrome, these are the symptoms of this Down syndrome. So here they have shown in the diagram. Here the 21st pair of chromosome. So three chromosomes are there. In normal case there are only two chromosomes in a pair, but here in the Down syndrome there are three chromosomes. Then next one is Turner syndrome. Down syndrome we have studied. Now let us study Turner syndrome. So it is also called as X monosomy or X0 female. So X monosomy means there is only one X sex chromosome instead of XX. Okay, so that's why mono means always one. So only one X chromosome is there. That's why it is monosomy. And X0 means only one X chromosome is there in the females. So it is a sex chromosome disorder caused due to the disjunction of chromosome during gamete formation. So here also the pair of chromosome is not separated when there is a formation of gamete. So as the chromosomes are not separated, they will come in this sex gamete, okay, or in the gamete. Individual born with Turner syndrome has 44 autosomes with X0. So they have a normal autosomes 44, and the pair of the sex chromosome is there. Only one X chromosome is there and another X chromosome is absent. They are phenotypically female, means their external structure is of female. They have a short stature, means their height is short, and webbed neck. So there is abnormal neck. Then lower posterior hairline. So hairline is up to the neck. That is called as lower posterior hairline. Broad shield shaped chest. So chest is like a broad shield. And poorly developed ovaries and breast. So ovaries and breast are not developed properly, and their intelligence is also low. So that is called as the Turner syndrome. So the main thing which we have to remember is, in Turner syndrome it is present in the female, and here in these females instead of pair of XX chromosome there is only one X chromosome. That is called as Turner syndrome. Then next one is Klinefelter's syndrome, where there is a XXY males. Okay, so here there is a one extra X chromosome in males. So in males normally there is one X and one Y chromosome in the sex chromosome, but here when there is a Klinefelter's syndrome, here there is one extra additional X chromosome is there. Okay, so it is a chromosomal disorder caused due to the extra chromosome in males. Thus genotype of individual is 44 plus XXY. Okay, so the genotype means genes or genetic constitution of this individual is, there will be 44 autosomes plus XXY. So instead of XY there is a XXY. They are described as feminized males. So why they are called as a feminized? Because they have one extra X chromosome. Extra chromosome is a result of non-disjunction of X chromosome during meiosis. So when gametes are formed at that time, these from mother sex cell there will be pair of XX chromosome, and when gametes will be formed at that time, only one chromosome, that is one X should become. So but instead non-disjunction means that pair of XX chromosome is not separated, and due to which this the gamete will contain two chromosomes, okay, XX. So when there will be a fertilization at that time, from mother there will be two chromosomes XX, and from father Y chromosome. So due to this there will be a male due to Y chromosome, but that male will have genotype XXY. Then individual is male and has overall all masculine development, means its outer structure or outer body will be of masculine, means male development is there. Why speech is harsh, means voice will be harsh, and have underdeveloped testes. So testes will not properly develop. They are tall with long arms, feminine development. Then feminine development, that is development of breast, which is also called as the gynecomastia. Okay, so development of breast can also take place due to this extra X chromosome, and no spermatogenesis, therefore individuals are sterile, means sperms will not form, and therefore the male will be sterile, so he will not fertile, he cannot reproduce. Okay, so in this way this Klinefelter's syndrome is due to the extra X chromosome in that male. So in this way all these are the genetic disorders. So let us revise. First one is thalassemia. Okay, so in thalassemia there is a this abnormal hemoglobin is there, and the genes which control this peptide chains, alpha and beta chains, these genes are either altered or mutation of these genes take place, and due to this thalassemia is there. And which are the symptoms: anemia, pale yellow skin, change in the size and shape of red blood cells, slow growth and development, and dark urine. These are the symptoms of this thalassemia, and treatment for this thalassemia is blood transfusion. Okay, so like this. Then next disorder which we have studied, Down syndrome or 21st trisomy. So in Down syndrome, on the 21st pair of these chromosomes there is a one extra chromosome, due to which there are 3 copies in 21st pair of chromosome there will be 3 chromosome instead of 2. Okay, and due to this there is a Down syndrome. The function is the patient symptoms are mild or mentally retarded, poor skeletal development, then features are head will be small, ear, mouth, face is typically flat and rounded, then nose is also flat, there is a protruding means outcoming tongues, then eyes slant up. Okay, so like this symptoms are there. Then there is a diagram showing instead of 2 chromosomes there are 3 chromosomes, so total 47 chromosomes will be there. Then Turner syndrome. So in Turner syndrome take place in the female, and here instead of XX chromosomes in the pair of sex chromosome there is only one X chromosome. So instead of 2 chromosomes only one chromosome is there. Okay, and they have short height, webbed neck, lower posterior hairline, broad shield shaped chest, and poorly developed ovaries and breast, and low intelligence. These are the symptoms of this Turner syndrome. And last one, Klinefelter syndrome. So here in case of males, instead of XY chromosome in the sex chromosome pair there are 3 chromosome, one extra X chromosome is there, and that's why the genetic constitution is XXY. Okay, so here